Hello everyone, P41 here, back in my very messy driveway. We have a Husqvarna RZT 24 zero-turn lawnmower. It has a 26 horsepower Kohler Courage V-twin engine. So we're dealing with a problem that I see quite frequently on these mowers. So basically what will happen is you'll either be mowing or just driving around, and you'll notice that the RPM kind of just starts to drop on its own. And eventually you look over and notice that the throttle is like there or way down there. So you put it back up, but pretty soon it's just fallen again. And the problem is with this actual lever itself. Yes, my glove is torn. It's okay, don't worry about it. So the problem is with this lever. Now, because this has separate choke and throttle levers, there's no indent in this lever to help keep it at the same point. It just relies on friction. And over time, these will loosen up, and then there's not enough friction, so the vibrations and the tension of the spring on the engine will cause it to slowly drop in RPMs. You can put it back up, but not enough friction, so it just drops again. Now, it's hard to describe over a video how tight this should be, but that's too loose. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this up. It's a pretty simple process. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can pull that whole panel out. That's not the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to go in through here. Yes, this glove is torn too. Again, don't worry about it. So this just pops out like so. It pops out even easier if yours is partially melted for whatever reason. And then we can gain access to the backside of that throttle lever. Okay, so the view's not going to be very good when I go to actually do this, so I'll show you now. So right here, you see that moving? That is our throttle lever, and you'll notice there is a bolt and a nut that holds it on. So all we're going to do is we are going to tighten up that bolt. Okay, so I am reaching in from the very bottom so you can kind of see it. Got my 3/8 and my 10 mil, and we're just going to tighten this up. Now this is 100% a feel thing, so I just snugged it up there. Yeah, that feels way better. So you're going to want to just tighten it up just a little bit snug and then see how your throttle feels. Again, this is not going to come across in video very well, but it is much tighter than it was before, but still moves nice and freely. So we should be good to go there. No more throttle dropping. Hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them down below.